Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two grooming essentials. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and on the right, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. All right, let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. Product A comes with a price tag of $34, while Product B is a bit more affordable at $24. It seems like Product B is winning in the price department. Now, let's talk about durability. Product A claims that 3 blades can last up to 12 months, which is quite impressive. However, Product B offers 2 blades that last up to 8 months. It's a tough call, but Product A takes the crown for durability. When it comes to versatility, both products shine. Product A can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your grooming needs. On the other hand, Product B also offers the same versatility, allowing you to use it wet or dry, with or without foam. It's a tie in the versatility category. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect, performance. Product A has a glide coating and rounded tips that protect your skin, ensuring a comfortable shave. It even works great on longer hair. But wait, Product B claims to deliver a fast, clean shave with reduced razor burn and rounded tips for skin protection. This is a tough one, but we'll give the point to Product B for its revolutionary performance. We all love to save some bucks, don't we? Both products offer a subscription service, but Product A takes it up a notch by offering up to 15% savings on replacement blades. Saving money and getting a clean shave? Count me in. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are highly praised for their longevity, ease of replacement, and consistent performance. They provide a smooth and close shave and are a cost-effective option for users of the Philips Norelco OneBlade. Overall, these replacement blades are highly recommended. All right, it's time to wrap things up. Product A and Product B have shown us their best features, but there can only be one winner. Considering the price, durability, versatility, performance, and savings, the crown goes to Product B. Congratulations to the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades for taking the top spot today. That's all for today's comparison, folks. We hope this video helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.